Hi, in this lesson we'll be seeing about Oracle Business Suite history and versions. Firstly, Oracle Business Suite released in 1988 with GL, that is General Ledger product. And then they have released Release 11 in 1998 as a bundle of ERP and CRM. Then they've released 11i version, which was one of the most successful versions in 2000. After that, in 2007, they have released Release 12. And this is currently one of the most used versions of Oracle Business Suite. And Release 12, it started with 12.0.x. That is, they started with 12.02, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then they've released 12.1 in 2009. So currently, the latest version is Release 12.2. And that has been released in 2013. And the 12.2 has several updates. And currently the latest update is Release 12.2.10, and this has been released as of now in 2021. This is the version that is available in the market. And more than 30 years of continuous development and innovation has been kept on the Oracle Business Suite. So let us have a detailed look about the versions of Oracle Business Suite. Oracle Business Suite, as I told before, has started from 1987 and till 1998 they have released versions 1 to 10. So 10.7 was the last version of version 10. And then they have released Release 11 in 1998 and they had 4 versions in it. Then finally they have released 11i, and which was a major success, which included lot of products, lot of enhancements, lot of families, that is, for example, financials and HRMS and other products as well. Lot of products have been released, a lot of features have been released in 11i. And 11i, as you can see, had several versions. And 11.5.10.2 was the last version, that is the 10 release in 11i. And then they have released R12. There were a lot of changes in the file system and technology stack between 11i and R12. And R12 has been introduced in 2007, and they have basically started with 12.0.0. Remember that when you say Release 12, it basically can be R12.0 or 12.1 or 12.2. And in 12.0, they had till 12.07. And then they have released 12.1, which had only 3 releases, that is 1, 2 and 3. And even now, in 2021, there are several customers who are still using 12.1.3. And very few customers are using 12.0. And I would say that negligible number of customers, or even probably no one, is using 11i at this point of time. And Release 12.2 is the latest version, and in Release 12.2, right now as of Jan 2021, 12.2.10 is the latest version. So what are the certified databases of Oracle Business Suite? Oracle Business Suite Release 12.1, the certified database are 10G and 11G. And 12.1.3 is certified with 11G, 12C, 19C, and even the same with 12.2. But remember that the customers, most of them, are currently in 12C, and the 19C upgrade has to be done in 2021 because of the reason that the extended support of 12C is only available till 2022 mid. So it is important that the customers upgrade their databases of Oracle Business Suite to 19C.